It's not a surprise. I just show you, Mom. Yeah. So I can get Luffy, Nami, Ace, the Follow Dilo, Bola, Hancock, Zoro. So you know what I get? 1, 2, 3, Luffy! So that of what's that? So I just get one. What is my birthday today? So that open it.
Nakatape mo si Sarah.
So see, I can open.
Unboxing.
I post this in my channel. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
So, I see the details. I have to bitan. I bitan. So, you can move the head, wow. And you can move little bit. Yeah, like this. Look, this can be like you can toggle it like display in your room. So yeah, I really like One Piece. That's why I buy this because I really like One Piece. So thank you to please subscribe because I pay a lot of money for this. I bayad my ate 1,150. So
How much is that?
137. So
Nice. 139.75 centavos.
yes, so lugi ako dito. So bye-bye. And I have this.
For the next video.
And peace out. John Eric is gone.